Let us discuss a problem on the probability. A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 black balls. A ball is selected at random from a bag. What is the probability that ball is selected red, not red? First, we can take how many red balls. Number of red balls. Number of red balls 3. Number of black balls equal to 5. How many balls total? Total balls equal to 8. Okay, this is the total outcomes. It is nothing but in the probability, the total balls nothing but total outcomes. Okay, in a bag, 5 black balls, some 3 red balls. If we can select one ball from this, that ball is occurrence of the red. Here, what is the probability? Let E be the event which is occurring of red. Then probability of E or probability of red ball is equal to favorable outcomes of red ball by total outcomes. This is the definition of the probability of any event. Here, how many red balls are there? 3 red balls are there. Total, how many balls are there? 8 balls. It is equal to probability of E or probability of red ball is equal to 3 by 8. And we know that probability of E plus probability of E complement is equal to 1. From that, we can write it as probability of E complement is equal to 1 minus probability of E. Here E complement means not occurring of the red bar. That is probability of E complement is equal to probability of not a red ball. It is equal to 1 minus probability of E or probability of red ball. That is 1 minus 3 by 8 is equal to 8 minus 3 by 8 equal to 5 by 8. In the same case, we can write it as probability of E complement equal to probability of not a red ball. It is equal to favorable outcomes of not red by total outcomes. Here not a red balls, how many are there? 5 are non-red balls. Say that is the occurrence of the black ball or non-occurrence of the red ball. So 5 by 8. You can go through any way. If you know the occurrence of the red ball from the relation of the probability of E plus probability of E complement equal to 1, you are getting the not a red ball. Or you can count the how many non-red balls are there, then you write in the numerator, the denominator always come in the same total outcomes. The second problem, a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white, not green? Here we can take how many red marbles? Number of red marbles equal to 5. Number of white marbles equal to 8. Number of green marbles equal to 4. How many total marbles are? 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. Okay, total marbles are 17. Now, what they are asking, what is the probability that the marble taken out will be red? First, we can take let E be the event which is happens. Then the probability of E is equal to favorable events by favorable outcomes or favorable events by total outcomes. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. This is the formula. Here we are taking the first case. What is the first case? Red ball. Occurrence of the happening of the marble taken out will be red, white, not green. First, red. Let E be the event which is favorable to red marble. Then probability of E or probability of red marble is equal to how many red marbles are there? 5 red marbles are there. So 5 by total how many? 70. 5 by 70. This is the first case. Second one, let W be the event which is favorable to white marble. Then probability of white marble is equal to how many white marbles are there? 8 white marbles are there. So 8 by 17. Third one, let G be the event which is favorable to green marble. Then probability of G is equal to how many are green marbles? 4 are green marbles. So 4 by 17. But they are asking the probability of not green marbles or probability of G complement equal to 1 minus probability of G. It is equal to 1 minus 4 by 17. That is equal to 17 minus 4 by 17 equal to 13 by 17, which is equal to probability of not green. Not green is equal to probability of G complement equal to, we can write it as in other way, probability of red and probability of white also. How many probability of red? 5 by 17. How many probability of white? 8 by 17. Sum of these two, 13 by 17. You can go through any one. Okay. Third problem. A kidney bank contains 100 50 paise coins, 50 1 rupee coins, 20 2 rupee coins, and 10 5 rupee coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be 50 paise coin, will not be 5 rupee coin? First of all, here we are taking the number of coins in different pies, different number of coins in different rupees. Okay. First one is number of coins of 50 pice, that is equal to 100 coins. Number of coins of 1 rupee equal to 50 coins. Number of coins of 2 rupee equal to 20. Number of coins of 10 rupee, sorry, 5 rupee. Number of coins of 5 rupee equal to 10. Okay. Total how many coins are there? Total coins are 0, 8, 180 coins. It is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. Okay. It's equally likely probability. Next, what is the probability that coin will be a 50 pice coins? Here, we know that the probability of any event is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Okay, this is the event of the occurrence can be calculated as a probability. The first will be a 50 pice coin, that is nothing but let E be the occurrence of 50 pice. Okay, that is nothing but or favorable event. How many 50 pies are there? The probability of event, it is equal to probability of 50 pies. It is equal to 50 pies are 100, total are 180. 0, 0 cancel. 2 5s are 2 9s are. It is equal to 5 by 9. Okay. From this, probability of E is equal to probability of 50 pies equal to 5 by 9. The second one is will not be 5 rupee coin. The second one, let E be the event which is not favorable to 5 rupees. First we can take which is favorable to 5 rupees is the E event. Then E complement is event which is not favorable to 5 rupees. First we can take probability of E equal to probability of 5 rupee equal to how many 5 rupee coins are there? 10 5 rupee coins are there. So it's 10 by 180. That is equal to 1 by 18. Next, probability of E complement equal to probability of not 5 rupees. It is equal to 1 minus probability of E, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 18 equal to 18 minus 1 by 18. Then probability of not 5 rupee coins or probability of E complement equal to 17 by 18. It is the answer. Fourth problem. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 6 female fish, 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? See here how many fishes are there. First find out the total fishes in that number of male fishes. Number of male fish equal to 5. Number of female fish equal to 8. Total fish total fishes equal to 13. What they are asking, male fish, let E be the event which is favorable to male fish. Then probability of E is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Total 13, in that favorable to male fishes 5. Therefore, probability of male fishes equal to 5 by 13 is the answer.